VantageF's Review 2025 Forex Broker is VantageF's Legit. You won't believe how Forex brokers have evolved in 2025. VantageF's promises low spreads, fast execution, and advanced trading platforms, but is it a legitimate choice for traders? The surprising truth is regulation. Most people get this wrong by assuming all Forex brokers are risky. VantageF's is regulated in multiple jurisdictions, providing security for client funds and transparent trading practices. One major advantage is trading flexibility. You won't believe what happens next when you see VantageF's offers and their proprietary platforms with access to over 40 currency pairs, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Leverage options vary by account type, giving traders room for both conservative and aggressive strategies. The broker emphasizes speed and reliability. Fast execution and low latency are especially useful for scalpers and day traders. Account types range from standard to rågång, catering to different trading needs and fee structures. However, there are cons. Advanced trading platforms may overwhelm beginners, and high leverage can increase risk of significant losses. Withdrawal fees may apply depending on the method, and customer service can vary in response times. In conclusion, VantageF's in 2025 is ideal for traders seeking a regulated, versatile, and reliable Forex broker. While complexity and leverage risks are considerations, the combination of platform options, asset variety, and strong execution makes VantageF's a solid choice for both novice and experienced traders.